Al Juno Paddler here. I wanted to give you guys an update on the state of the repairs. There has been some progress, not quite finished, but further along than we were the last time I gave an update. So let me spin this around for you. All right, as you can see, or maybe you can't, I'm not sure here. This is the area of damage and the other side. I'll show that to you in a minute. This has all been sanded, and what you're seeing here is a fairing compound, and basically the point of the fairing compound is to bring up to level the low spots. And so you can see it here where it's still a little bit low, and I'm at a stopping point right now because I had to order more supplies, which being in Alaska takes time to get here. Unlike down south in the lower 48, things don't show up in the next day. So we're waiting on some supplies, and I've got all this sanded and it's prepped for when the supplies arrive. There are low spots here that need to be filled in. There's still some spots here where fiberglass is showing. I'm gonna pause it. I'm gonna show you the other side. Okay, so this is the other side, and this side had more damage than the other that I just showed you. And so there's still a lot more work to be done here, but like I said, I'm out of supplies. I had to order some things, one of which is a hardener that goes into the compound that I'm using to build this layer up. So can't apply any more of that, but there will be more applied here. This area is still low, which if I were to span the gap across the gel coat with any kind of level, like I've been using stirring sticks, from here to here, it's still got a divot. And then on up in here, there's still spots exposed. And then again, you can completely see the fiberglass here. That still has to be sanded. That edge is a little rough, so I have to work on that a little bit more. But she's coming along. I do want to let you know how much work this is. This part of the process is, I've been told, the most critical for best results. So if you get to a stage you're working on a boat, be sure that when you get to this stage that you spend the most time prepping the surface. If you want the rest of your boat to come out looking shiny like this one is right now beyond the damage, this is the only way that's going to happen. So spend the most time you have prepping the surface before you get to applying your gel coat. It will pay off in the end. Stay tuned. Be sure to follow for these updates.